How to fix not eligible for TikTok account. If you're facing a problem that says not eligible for TikTok account while creating your TikTok account, then the first thing you need to do is you have to check your date of birth. Like if you're not the age of above 12 or above 14, then you're not eligible on TikTok. Or if you're trying to message someone after creating your TikTok account, like if you're trying to message someone on your TikTok application, then if you're not being able to send that message, then TikTok has a restriction. Like if you're not the age of above 16, then you can't message someone on TikTok. If you have created your account with the age of below 16, then you won't be able to message someone, so that's a restriction. So you're not eligible to direct message someone on TikTok if you're not the age of above 16, or if you're not the age of above 12, then you can't create a TikTok account. Or if you're not the age of above 10, 12, 14, then you're not eligible on TikTok. So that's it. Choose a particular age which is suitable, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.